Hi guys, so before we sleep we have our vlogs, and don't forget to follow our Facebook and our YouTube. Oh, this is Yendra. Yendra is 5 years old and a kinder. I will ask you math question, okay? And Tagalog, okay? Tagalog. Okay, number 1. What is 1 plus 1?
2.
2 plus 2?
4.
4 plus 1?
Oh my god, 4 plus 1?
You don't know?
It's 5.
It's 5. 5 plus 2?
7.
7. 7 plus 1?
7 plus 1? 7. 8.
8. Wow, very good 5 plus 5?
10.
10 plus 5?
10 plus 5 is 50.
What 50? 15.
50. Oh my god.
10 plus 10?
20.
15 plus 5?
50 plus 5, oh my god. 50, 60. I mean 70, 80, 90, 20.
Wow, very good. How about what is sunny day
Sunny day.
sa Tagalog?
Maaraw.
Oh my! How about rainy days?
Rainy days. Maambon.
What ambon?
I mean.
What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this?
This is raining.
What's that in Tagalog?
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh.
mao.
Maulan.
Good job, maulan. So, very good ka. Okay, so mabait ka hindi?
Huh?
Mabait ka hindi?
Mabait.
Mabait ka? Sino ang teacher mo?
Si teacher that.
Okay, good job. Ano pa ba ang tanong ko? What is a soldier in Tagalog? Soldier.
Soldier.
Soldier. Soldier, the one that has a gun like that. As a brave.
He's brave because he's not brave of monsters. He can.
He's not afraid?
Yeah.
Sundalo.
He's sundalo.
Okay, sundalo.
Sundalo.
What is the Tagalog of your eyes?
My eye.
Yes. What's that? Ilong or mata?
Mata.
Mata. What is your nose?
Ilong.
How about the mouth? You don't know? Okay, so tomorrow you will practice. So
What
guys,
is that? What is that?
thank you for your time. Bye bye. Tomorrow we'll vlogs again. And good night everyone.